Hi friends, welcome back to my another video of craft. In this video you will see fabric craft ideas. Fabric sewing craft represent a timeless and versatile form of creativity that merges artistic expression with practical application. Rooted in centuries of textile tradition, this art involves manipulating fabric through various techniques such as cutting, stitching, dyeing, layering, folding, embellishing, and shaping to create decorative, functional, or wearable items. Whether made by hand or with the help of simple tools and sewing machines, fabric crafts are cherished for their tactile nature, personalized touch, and wide range of possibilities. The charm of fabric craft lies in their accessibility and adaptability. From delicate cotton and luxurious silks to sturdy denim and soft fleece, a wide variety of textiles can be transformed into something beautiful and meaningful. The textures, colors, and patterns of fabric offer endless opportunities for personalization and innovation. Crafters can choose materials based on the purpose of their project, whether it's to be soft and comforting, durable and long-lasting, or elegant and decorative. Skill levels in fabric crafting can range from beginner-friendly tasks like basic sewing or no-sew projects to intricate quilting, embroidery, and textile art that demand precision and experience. Each piece made carries a sense of individuality and care, reflecting the maker's personality, culture, and intent. Often, fabric crafts are used to commemorate special occasions, express emotions, or preserve memories created through a handmade cushion, a patchwork blanket, or an embellished wall hanging. Fabric crafts also play a significant role in sustainable living as they often involve repurposing old clothes, leftover materials, or scrap textiles. This eco-conscious approach not only minimizes waste but also adds a narrative or renewal and mindfulness of each creation. Over time, fabric crafting has become more than a hobby. Experiential. In essence, fabric crafts are a celebration of tradition, innovation, and self expression, inviting individuals to slow down, create with their hands, and infuse every day of life with texture, warmth, and creativity. Hari Malke. Fabric crafting is a deeply enriching and imaginative form of art that transforms ordinary textile into items of beauty, function, or sentiment. Rooted in cultural heritage and domestic tradition, this craft has long served as a bridge between artistry and utility. Through the creative use of fabric, individuals can express their aesthetic vision, cultural identity, and emotional varieties, often blending age-old techniques with contemporary styles. Fabric craft has universal appeal and can be enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. It is often passed down through generations, taught within families, or shared in community groups. It empowers individuals to make, mend, and personalize the world around them. It nurtures a DIY spirit and encourages a sustainable lifestyle, especially in today's age where upcycling and eco consciousness are gaining momentum. From crafting home accessories and wearable art of creating symbolic decor pieces, fabric craft continues to thrive as both a personal pursuit and a collective tradition. So guys, I really hope that you will love all the ideas that I shared with you in this video. If you have any question, if you have any request, please let me know in comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Love you all guys. Have a wonderful day.